Welcome back. In this video, we will see how to analyze WAF and VPC flow log using Kibana. So in this session, we will use AWS WAF, AWS ALB, Kinesis Firehose, Elasticsearch, VPC flow logs, CloudWatch logs, as well as Lambda. So after creating all these things, our architecture will be like this. So suppose this will be our end user, and end user based on some DNS routes, it will access our load balancer, and in load balancer we attach AWS WAF. So suppose if any users want to access our website, so it will go through our load balancer, and in load balancer we are adding AWS WAF. So based on some policies, WAF will allow or it will block users IP based on their request. And for logging, what we are doing here, for this we enable Kinesis Firehose. So if any users get blocked or allowed, it will, based on this Kinesis Firehose, it will redirect to this. It will add all data into Amazon Elasticsearch, and based on this data, we will analyze using Kibana. And also for all ENI plugins, we enable VPC flow log, and it will add all logs into log group, and log based on this data. Lambda will be responsible for sending all data into Elasticsearch, and through Elasticsearch, we will analyze all data using Kibana. So after this lecture, you are able to see dashboard like this. This is for our VPC flow log. So suppose this is our data, and I am accessing last 15-minute data. So this much, 50% requests are getting rejected and 50% requests are getting accepted. In this is my IP, and this requests are getting allowed, and for this is also destination port, you can see here. And this is for net ENI plugins. So for this, you can see here, for this ENI plugin, requests are getting accepted, and here this ENI plugins are getting blocked. And for other visualization in WAF dashboard, error, okay. So total, this much values are allowed and this much values are blocked within 15 minutes. So if I change this range to minutes to days and 1 day, and if I update this one, so here you will see this dashboard. So this much values are allowed and this much values are blocked, and origin countries are like 20 requests came from China, and this is from Russia, this is from US, this is from US. And for India, so if I click on India, all requests are getting allowed, and in this, these are 13% requests are requesting from this IP, and 4% requests are coming from this IP, and most requests are coming from this IP. And this is for URI, this is for slash request, and this is for some other URI. And here also you can see other details. So suppose if I want to check blocked request, so suppose if I click on China map, here I can see all 20 requests are getting blocked, and these are the IPs, and for this, these are the URIs that they are accessing, and these are block keyword, country China, and this is IP and count 9 times.